Hey guys, Neon Gamer here, and today we are going to be showing some creek fishing tips and tricks that I have found useful. So, first of all, today we're fishing with Hot Dog. Our creek here, as you can see, it's all flooded up. Alright, so my first trick is try to find a place with a current, like right here, because if there's fish out there, they'll be out and they'll be in the current. So what I like to do is I take my pole, stick it right there. For now that's good, because I'm going to do something else later. Now, I do some extra stuff to help it, but take your line out. Now, I do recommend you put a sinker on this thing. It helps. If you could just move out of the way, that would be perfect, but I guess not. So take this and just, oh well, crap. Alright, so if that happens, that happens, I mean you just didn't get enough line out. So take some more line. And I'd say right there. Now, let's make sure we got it all reeled in there. Now, let's put some extra security on there. Now, got it right in the current. You can't see the line in this, but yeah, now you can. So you see it's right along there. Now for the second one, I'm gonna go by the bridge down here. Get some Hot Dog. See, I got the dogs out. And same thing, sinker. Now, excuse me, I'm gonna hook it on. Now, I recommend that if you're doing this, you get a stinky bait, because baits like this they attract more scent. Things like worms, you don't want to be using a worm fishing for bottom fishing like this, because I'm just saying they can't really smell that. Unless you're going bottom fishing in a place where they can see it. Like this thing, you're leaving it, you're just taking it and leaving. Alright, so let me untangle my pole real quick, because I got it tangled here. Sorry about all the off camera, but as you can see, this is a really nice rod. Come on, guys. Let's make sure dogs don't get stuck on that. So, alright, what I'm gonna do, so yeah, they're pretty interested in that. Keep the hook away from the dogs too, if you have them, but alright, so places like this would also be pretty good. For somewhere like here, now I would make sure that you make it sink first. Otherwise, sorry about that. Otherwise, you're about to have a problem with that, because this thing got it sitting out right here. But yeah, this thing is gonna carry that right out of your hands, right out of your possession. You can't stop that. So I put it somewhere like that. So there you go, some good tips for fishing. Also, find some of the deeper spots and grassy areas, banks. It depends on what you're trying to catch. I mean, I'm trying to catch some catfish out here. Logs are good, but make sure you don't get it caught. So that's just some fishing tips and hacks for this kind of fishing. Might post kind of a snapping turtle trapping hack soon, but see you guys later.